Hey y'all, so this is my first official wash day video on YouTube. Let's give it up for the girl. Yeah, yeah. So this wash day, I like to keep my wash day pretty simple, okay? For the first step of the wash day, that is the detangling the deep conditioner slash pre-poo. And the reason why I do my pre-poo and my deep conditioner at the same time, again, is to save the wash day time. Also, if you are dealing with traction alopecia like I am, definitely taking your time to do your hair is key, right? As y'all can see, I have been dealing with traction alopecia for a while, right? And this is something a lot of us naturals are going through, but there's nothing wrong with it. You can still have healthy hair, you can still care for your hair, and you can still move in this world with confidence as long as you feel good on the inside. So back to the video. As y'all can see, I started off with some water, right? Whatever you have is what you have. You don't have to use exactly what I'm using in the video, but obviously this is what I'm showing y'all.